Hi, I'm Susan. I got a new Collage Soup book yesterday in the mail, so I am excited to share this with you. It is a smaller book. It is only six by about 9 inches, but I have enjoyed watching everybody else's reviews of these, and so I thought I would do one. And I haven't looked through it yet. So let's go through this one. This one is a little bit of this and that. And I needed just a little bit extra money to get the free shipping on Amazon, so I wanted a Collage Soup book. I love this. I love the images that she does. Those are very cool. The hardest thing is going to be which side of the page do I use. That's cool. I love that. They're just so unique. I love it. Beautiful. I love the birds. I hate that's cut off. I don't get that. I know Amy of Crafty Cat was talking about that. Or was it Debbie? It was somebody. It may have been Debbie of My Vagabond Style talking about the images being cut off. And that is disappointing. Now that's pretty. I like that. That's cool. Could do a circus journal. Oh, how fun. Love those. Those are interesting backgrounds. Fun. Those are beautiful. I like those as well. I love interesting images. I love that. Ooh, love the kitty cats. Love the puppy dogs. I love that. I love everything. Oh, that's a very nice page. Oh, look at those faces. I love it. I love this. This is fun. Oh, I love the eyeballs. How fun. I wonder if I want to try to do something like that maybe. Can use this to inspire as well. Oh, I love that. I'm happy with this book. I think there were supposed to be like 80 images. Oh, that's pretty. I love the chickens. Look at the legs. Oh, how cute. I like that. It's kind of steampunky. Pretty. I love the colors. Very cool. Frida, I can't think of her last name. Sorry. I love that. This is very, very cool. It can be used, I could use the images, and it can also inspire me in my own artwork. I love this. Well, I hope you enjoyed this flip through. I know some people like to see something before they buy it. I bought it sight unseen, and thankfully I'm happy with it. I think it was about $14 at Amazon. Like I said, I figure if I'm going to, rather than pay the shipping, I'd rather get something for that shipping money, and shipping's not cheap. So I'm really happy with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this little flip through. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.